everyone, welcome to Real Maya channel. This is Maya. Today you're going to cook with me and I'm going to show you sweet and sour okra curry, and it's also called pulsu curry, and you can reduce 50% of your oil and salt. This is amazing. Let's start cooking. Ingredients for pulsu okra or pulsu bendakaya. So pulsu means tamarind juice, using tamarind juice. So whenever you put tamarind juice with any veggies, then they call it as pulsu kura. So ingredients, I've taken 15 to 20 okras or bendi. So this should be little bigger size. So usually we chop it this size, but this is bigger, maybe 3 pieces in each okra, and a handful of chopped onion, and few, these are optional because I got them in the backyard. So I'm growing peas, so I've added some peas, but this is optional, you don't need it. And even onion is optional, just if you want with okra you can just do it with it. The key ingredient is the tamarind juice. I've taken half cup tamarind juice, just a small lemon size tamarind. I've soaked it and I've taken pulp out of it, and this is the remaining juice. 1 spoon, this is 1 spoon jaggery. So jaggery is very important for pulsu kura, because when tamarind, that sour taste and the sweet taste, the jaggery taste, neutralizes the sour taste and it enhances the taste. Here 2 more key ingredients are the sesame seed powder, and this is roasted cumin seeds and fenugreek together powder, and this is also key for any pulsu kura or tamarind based curries. And a half spoon red chilli powder, and I've just taken half spoon salt. We don't need much salt because already tamarind and jaggery all are taste enhancers, so a little bit less salt will work, and a pinch of turmeric. So again, I'm trying to use minimal ingredients which fits in my 8 to 10 ingredients. So maybe I'm going to make any recipe which falls between 8 to 10 maximum, but always 5 or 6 to 8 are my general ones. All the spices just I'm picking up from up. I've added okra, so I'm going to mix them well. I will let it cook for 1 or 2 minutes. I'm going to add half of this. This much is remaining. To always speed up the cooking, it's good idea to add hot water, and this needs a lot of water because it's of gravy like. Already half of it was cooked in tamarind juice, so the spices get absorbed with the bendi or the okra, and my hot water will help it to cook faster. So at this point, I'm going to add jaggery into this. So it is always good idea to add just little salt before, and at the end of cooking you can top on it so that you eat less salt. Now I'm going to add the rest of the leftover spices. So here I'm adding lots of sesame seeds. So as sesame seeds have high content of calcium, especially for ladies. This is very good. I use a lot of sesame seed. It has calcium in it. And I'm going to wait until it gets cooked. It's getting cooked well, and I'm going to cover with the lid and simmer it. It's done. So I'm not going to overcook it, just enough to get this cooked. Like when you just put your try to cut it, then it's cutting. So that means it's cooked. So overcooking will not taste good, and also it will lose its nutritional value. Now I'm going to transfer it into the clay pot. So I was cooking in clay pot before. I started this more than 6 years till date, but again because of my induction stove I need to just use as a container. As we all know, the clay pots are most beneficial. It is a neutral thing. So now let me taste this. It tastes perfect. After 10 minutes it thickens well and we have enough oil floating. If you are new to my channel, please do subscribe my channel, and if you like this recipe, share with your friends, and for full recipe look into the description box below and subscribe my channel, and see you with next recipe. Until then, bye.